Tzuyang is a South Korean YouTuber. Her real name is Park Jung-won and age is 27 years. She graduated from Mir High School of Science and Technology. She is one of the YouTubers known as Dr. Mukbang, which are artists who make visually striking and audibly striking food videos. Her YouTube channel has almost 10 million subscribers. Nobody ever thought that her life had been difficult because she was always seen smiling and in a peaceful manner. However, she has since disclosed that her ex-boyfriend had mistreated and abused her in multiple ways. She claimed that while taking a break from her studies, she met a man and they started dating. However, she decided to part ways with him when he became violent. He told her that he had secretly videotaped private moments between them and threatened to share it if she ended their relationship. So that she could work there, he brought her to the nightclub where he was employed. He received everything she earned, even though she claimed she didn't want to go. It happened every day using clubs and other items. He beat her. She claimed that out of her 5 years on YouTube, 4 of those years were spent living in constant fear. Because her face would be so visible, it usually hit her in the body. Her attorneys appeared and presented their case, pictures of the wounds along with the recording. In audio, he won't listen to her attacks despite her cries, begs, and screams. Additionally, they claim that Tzuyang's former partner, who rose to the position of the CEO of her agency, stole nearly all of her advertising earnings. It's estimated that he collected approximately $3 million. The court decided in Tzuyang's favor. Furthermore, he had been given a criminal sentence of roughly 5 years in prison. But the criminal process ended when his ex-partner committed suicide. They mentioned that this was a few months ago. Why, after all this time, did Tzuyang choose to reveal all of this? As it happens, a different YouTube channel posted a video in which it was stated that Tzuyang was a victim. Tzuyang claimed that my payment is sufficient to keep them silent. Tzuyang's nationality is South Korean. Her height is 1.61 meter. Tzuyang Instagram account. She has 195k followers on her Insta. Her birthplace is Seoul, South Korea. Subscribe for more videos.